Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do dual SIM settings in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. And here you will find SIM card and mobile network. Just click on it. And here you will have dual SIM settings. Okay, various settings are available. First one is mobile data. Access data using mobile network. It is turned on. If you turn off, then mobile data will be turned off. Okay. Then 5G usage help. Okay. Some of the help questions and answers are showing here. The SIM card has been activated for 5G service. Consult your SIM card carrier to learn how to activate the 5G service. Okay, so regarding the 5G service, 5G network, all solutions are available here. Okay, then internet access during calls. Okay, allow SIM 1 to be used for mobile data during calls. Suppose if you get calls, if you are engaged with calls for another SIM, and the remaining SIM should be allowed to use internet. Okay, that means you have to turn on this button, so that even if you are using another SIM for calls, internet will not be interrupted. Okay, then mobile data. Here just click on mobile data and select the SIM which is to be used for mobile data. By as of now, it is selected to SIM 2. Okay, if you would like to change to mobile data to SIM 1, yes, select 1. Okay, then calls. Here click on calls, and here you can choose which SIM to be frequently used. Okay, suppose if you would like to use by default SIM 1, yes, just click on SIM 1, so that calls will be made using the SIM 1. Okay, suppose if you are dialing a number or calling directly, it will go to the SIM 1. Okay, that's the meaning of it. Okay, suppose if you keep ask every time, that means your phone will ask whether to choose SIM 1 or SIM 2. Okay, if you are making a call, then whether to choose SIM 1 or SIM 2, it will be asking, and you have to choose anyone. Okay, then SMS here, select a SIM for SMS, SIM 1 or SIM 2, and as of now it is selected to SIM 1. Okay, if you would like to change it to SIM 2, yes, select it, and SMS will SMS, that is, if you are sending SMS, SIM 2 will be directly selected. Okay, then SIM card info and settings. There are various infos and settings are available for each SIM card. Okay, click on SIM 1, and here you can totally deactivate SIM card 2. Okay, just to turn off this button and click on stay disabled. Then only SIM 2 will be active in your phone, and SIM card 1 is not active. Okay, you can temporarily deactivate your SIM card. Okay, deactivate means you are not deactivating from the entire network, just you are deactivating for the SIM card 1 to be used in your phone only. Okay, later if you think that you have to enable the SIM card, just to turn on this button and you can enable. Okay, then SIM card name you can change. For example, by default it is named as SIM 1. Okay, if you would like to change it to any name, yes, just click on SIM name and delete the available text and write your own text. Here just I type Mingy. Okay, so SIM 1 is named as Mingy. Okay, and also you can choose color. Okay, by default it is set to purple. If you would like to use another color, yes, just click it. I have selected pink. Okay, click on OK. Then number. This is the number actually. Okay, that is the SIM card number. That is mobile number. Okay, if you would like to change or if you would like to not to show, just delete. Okay, and it will not be showing here. Okay, then roaming, allow data during roaming. Okay, click on OK, and if you are in another state, data will be used. Okay, that is called roaming. Okay, if you don't want, just to turn off this button. Then data usage, how much data have been used from your SIM card one, they will be listed here. Okay, preferred network type, click on preferred network type. Here 5G is selected as preferred network type. If you would like to choose only 4G, click on 4G, and it will be selected for your SIM card one. Okay, that is now SIM card name is Mingy. Okay, so Mingy SIM card. Okay, so in this way you can do various settings. Similarly, you can do the same for the SIM 2 too. Okay, click on SIM 2, and either you can deactivate SIM card or you can change your SIM card name. Okay, so here I change SIM card name to Mickey and click on OK. Okay, you can also select color then. Okay, I select blue, click on OK then. Yes, the SIM card number is showing, that is a mobile number. You can assign any other thing here too. Okay, similar settings are available as like SIM 1, that is Mingy. Okay, so here I have named SIM 1 as Mingy and SIM 2 as Mickey. So in this way you can do more settings and customize as per your wish for your dual SIM. Okay, you can insert two SIMs, dual SIM in your phone, and they will be showing here, and according to your purpose you can customize your dual SIM settings. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.